What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best Chromebooks that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Acer Chromebook 315 stands out as a versatile and lightweight laptop designed to keep you connected and productive wherever you go. Its 15.6-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen display offers vivid visuals and a responsive touch experience. Powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 dual-core processor, clocked at 1.1 GHz up to 2.8 GHz, and supported by 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, this Chromebook ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance. With a compact form factor weighing just 2.76 pounds, the Chromebook 315 is a highly portable device. Its 64 GB eMMC flash memory provides ample storage for your files, while the absence of an optical drive enhances its sleek design. The inclusion of 2 USB Type-C ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, Bluetooth 4.0, and 802.11 AC ensures comprehensive connectivity options for peripherals and wireless devices. Perfectly suited for educational environments, the Acer Chromebook 315 is Google Classroom compatible, making it an ideal choice for students and educators. The integrated HD webcam facilitates video conferencing, while the Chrome OS allows seamless access to Google Apps for work and entertainment. Impressively, the Chromebook boasts a remarkable 12.5 hours of battery life, ensuring that you stay productive throughout the day without being tethered to a power source. In summary, the Acer Chromebook 315 offers a compelling combination of performance, portability, and extended battery life in a sleek and user-friendly package. The Dell Chromebook 113180 is a cost-effective and sturdy laptop tailored for essential tasks and educational use. With a focus on simplicity and affordability, this Chromebook offers a lightweight and durable construction, making it ideal for students and users with basic computing needs. The laptop features a backlit keyboard, enhancing usability in various environments. Powered by a Celeron N3060 processor and equipped with 4 GB of memory and 16 GB of eMMC storage, the Chromebook 113180 is optimized for efficiency in basic computing functions. The Chrome OS operating system ensures a fast, straightforward, and secure computing experience, providing access to the Chrome Web App Store and compatibility with popular file types. The device boasts a battery life of up to 10 hours, promoting productivity without the constant need for charging. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth, 2 USB ports, an HDMI port, a multi-card slot, a headphone and mic combo jack, ensuring versatile connectivity for various peripherals and accessories. Designed with educational settings in mind, the Dell Chromebook 113180 is suitable for users who predominantly engage in online activities and require an affordable device for basic computing tasks. Its robust build, long battery life, and practical features make it a reliable choice for those seeking an uncomplicated and budget-friendly computing solution. The Asus Chromebook CX1 is a lightweight and ultra-portable device designed for productivity and entertainment on the go. Featuring an HD Nano Edge display with a 16:9 aspect ratio, this Chromebook offers an immersive visual experience. Powered by the Intel Celeron N3350 processor, with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB eMMC storage, it ensures speedy performance for a variety of tasks. Built to withstand the demands of daily use, the Chromebook CX1 adheres to military-grade standard, providing durability while maintaining a weight of just 2.65 pounds. The device boasts up to 17 hours of battery life, offering extended usage throughout the day. The slim bezel design maximizes the screen-to-body ratio, enhancing multitasking capabilities and providing an immersive entertainment experience. Connectivity is versatile with 2 USB Type-C Gen 1 ports, 1 USB 3.2 Type-A Gen 1 port, a microSD card reader, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The Chromebook runs on Chrome OS, featuring Google Apps for seamless productivity, including the ability to edit, download, and convert Microsoft Office files in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. The ergonomic keyboard with 1.5mm key travel ensures comfortable typing, while the 180 degrees lay flat hinge allows the device to be fully opened and laid flat for easy sharing and collaboration. The Asus Chromebook CX1 also provides access to the Google Play Store for a rich library of apps, games, movies, and more. With automatic updates, built-in antivirus protection, and a 1-year free Google 100GB cloud storage trial, the Asus Chromebook CX1 is a reliable and secure companion for those on the move. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is a compact and versatile laptop offering a seamless blend of simplicity, portability, and entertainment features. With its 11.6-inch HD display featuring 3-side narrow bezels, Intel Celeron N4020 processor, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage, this Chromebook ensures a responsive and efficient computing experience for daily tasks. Setting up the Lenovo Chromebook is incredibly easy. Just log in with your Google account, and you're ready to access collaborative tools on G Suite and the extensive library of apps on Google Play. The Chrome OS, running on the lightning-fast Intel Celeron N4020 processor and eMMC flash storage, ensures quick boot-ups, automatic updates, and built-in virus protection for a secure and hassle-free user experience. Weighing only 2.47 pounds, the Chromebook is slim and lightweight, making it an ideal companion for users on the go. The device's 3-side narrow bezel HD display enhances the clarity of streaming videos and music, complemented by dual two-way stereo speakers for crystal-clear audio. With up to 10 hours of battery life, you can stay productive throughout the day without frequent recharging. Stay connected with the 720p webcam, 2x2 Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, and Bluetooth 4.2 combo with a Wi-Fi card. The Chromebook offers versatile connectivity options, including 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C ports, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-A ports, a microSD card reader, and an audio combo jack, providing ample flexibility for external devices. Whether for work or play, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 delivers a fast, simple, and secure computing experience. With its streamlined design, entertainment features, and robust connectivity options, it's a reliable device for users seeking flexibility in their computing needs. The HP Chromebook X360 is a versatile HD touchscreen laptop designed to deliver both impressive performance and immersive entertainment experiences. Powered by an Intel Celeron N4000 processor with dual-core capabilities and a base frequency of 1.1 GHz up to 2.6 GHz burst frequency, this Chromebook ensures smooth and efficient operation. With 4 GB LPDDR4 RAM and 32 GB eMMC storage, it provides the necessary resources for various tasks. Boasting a remarkable 12-hour battery life, the Chromebook X360 allows users to engage in play, chat, and creativity for extended periods. Its slim and lightweight design supports 4 versatile modes: laptop, tablet, stand, and tent mode, providing flexibility for different daily activities like note-taking and drawing. The inclusion of Google Play Store compatibility enables access to millions of Android apps without compromising speed, simplicity, or security. The Chromebook also supports USI Universal Stylus, allowing users to redefine work and play with their favorite stylus. Enhancing the entertainment experience, the Chromebook features a narrow bezel HD touchscreen, audio by Bang & Olufsen for rich and authentic sound through dual speakers, and a 360 degrees geared hinge for innovative usage in 4 positions. Its beautifully designed ceramic finish, seamless metal keyboard deck, and fanless, thin build make it adaptable for various environments. Additional features include a digital media card reader, built-in webcam, touchpad with gesture capabilities, and a touchscreen interface. The HP Chromebook X360 is a comprehensive device designed to seamlessly integrate work and play.